Hello, 안녕하세요. Today we are on, it's a little noisy, sorry today. We got the tree service next door. They're working on a different house in this neighborhood, so I'll have to talk a little bit louder. But today we got a really unique styled home. It was built in the 70s, the 1970s. So kind of stuck in that time period. So really unique, really cool, and a really cozy home. It's not really a really huge home, really snug and fit and awesome for a family. Right now it is listed on the higher side. It's expected to drop pretty soon here since it's a newer listing, but it's really neat. This area, when you look in the front, this is all part of the house. Instead of a fence for the front yard, they have a brick wall, and it's a really cool styling there with that sloped, angled, bowled out shaped fence for the brick. So let's go ahead and welcome inside. This is a really unique home. First thing, it's not furnished, so everything is taken out, and you just have to use your imagination to see which room will be which. But here is, when you first walk into the doorway, is a formal area. It does have a fireplace and a skylight, as well as a cool bowed window with a reading nook. Actually, all the bedrooms have that feature, which is really awesome. Kind of that unique styling. But we'll continue forward, and it's a very open floor plan. So, as we said before, this house was built in the 1970s, so it's really captured in that time. Very unique styling, very antique and classic feel. We do have that cool feature all throughout the home, just that 70s feel. But the hardwood is actually renovated. It is new, so freshly polished, and no issues with the hardwood here, even though the home is an older home. The kitchen as well, really snug and kind of tucked away back here. So it does have the new granite countertops, as well as the new features. It does have the electric stove top and a new refrigeration here. Pretty simple, really classic, snug and cozy, tucked away. And this sunroom is actually new in addition to the home. It's not included in the listing of the home for the square footage. This was added, but yeah, it just lets in the light with the skylights and lots of windows encompassing the entire room, which is a really cool feature. So nothing too much to see right now. You can plant the grass. They uprooted that and just left it dirt for now. You can make a garden here. You can plant whatever you want, some trees if you would like. But yeah, this is actually a pretty decent sized, and the layout is really cool. Decent sized backyard, and the layout of the concrete is really awesome. You can see the circles there. You can add a fountain in the back if you would like, and the fencing is also brand new as well. So, and the first bedroom, I said it earlier in the video. We have this pane window that is a little reading nook, so you can just sit here and relax. Really snug little bedroom here. Nothing too crazy about it. And it has its own closet as well. Master bedroom also has this cool bowed window that you can sit on, a little reading nook. Closet space, two closet spaces. The master restroom. And this countertop is new, and the flooring looks to be new as well. So everything is up to date. They have this cool stained glass window feature here next to the toilet that separates that from the shower. We have a built-in wall shower here, really awesome, just with the glass, and nothing too crazy here. Really snug and really cozy. In this really unique styling home. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more video content. It really helps us out. And leave a comment what we can do better. We always read the comments and like reading what you have to say. But thank you and God bless. 구독, 좋아요 해주세요. I'm getting better.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.